Well, I understand that you also see the Platonic realm as having many levels, and I think the idea of going from 3 to the 10,000 things is there are many levels potentially in there that might entail deities or demigods or spirits of various types, angelic or demonic spirits who are manipulating the program.
Yes, you're right. Because we have a computer and we can program the computer to operate at a different clock speed. Therefore, in this model, this computer operating at multiple clock speeds. At each clock speed, you produce a vibration frequency and you produce a parallel universes. So at each clock speed, you process a parallel universe. So there's many levels. However, it's not the turtle all the way. One of the reasons many people reject the simulation hypothesis is they can argue if this world is produced by computation by another words, and then that another words should be produced by another words, then it's turtle all the way down, there's no end. Whereas in this model, it converges from multiplicity, you actually converge into simplicity. At each level of the computation, you increase the memory, increase the capacity, increase the computation power. If you descend from the top of the parallel universe downwards, you diverge. It's called 1 over many. If you ascend from different parallel universe, you converge. So all the deities are actually ourselves. They are not somebody external. They are ourselves at a different level of reality in parallel universes. For example, many people can have a common existence in another level. Let's take a dog, for example. In the physical reality, you have poodles, and you have Labradors, you have pugs. And all those different species of dog can be converged into a dog. Dogness at another level of the universe, you have a dogness. And the dog can also converge with other mammals to converge into mammal. And a mammal can converge into a single sentient being, for example. It converges into singularity eventually, which is matter consciousness. It is not turtle all the way down, it's actually convergence into singularity. All women can converge into Eve, for example. All men can converge into Adams. Those are the archetypes at a different level of the universe. And they are not somebody else. They are ourselves.